Yes, a very good evening, children. Today's topic: series and parallel connection of the resistors. Series and parallel connection of the resistor. So, in this, two derivations will be there, children: series connection and parallel connection. So, it is a very most important. So, today we are going to learn about that series and parallel connection of resistors. So, series and parallel connection, series and parallel connection of resistors. Series and parallel connection of resistors, children. It's a very most important. So now, series and parallel connection. Let me see, the first one is series connection. Series connection. So, in this, what is meant by series connection? Series is nothing but one row, systematic row series. So means in this, the flow of current, the current flows in a single path. It is moves only the current flows in a single path, only the one path. That is called series connection, children. The current flows in a single path is called series connection. So, for example, see, children. So here in series connection, we have to show that here. To show that R equals to R1 plus R2 plus R. Or this question they will ask now, sum of individual resistors. These we call resistors, children. R1 resistor, R2 resistor, R3 resistor. Sum of the individual resistors is equals to equivalent resistor. It is called equivalent resistor. So in series connection, the current flows in a single path and current equally flow through all the resistors. So in this, for example, 1 ampere flows in this, R2 also 1 ampere flows, and R3 also 1 ampere flows. That means in series connection, current flows in a single path. The flow of current in a single path is called series connection. In series connection, current I is equally flow through all the resistors, but voltage is divided. Voltage is divided. For example, so in any function time, any wedding time, any festival time, we have to arrange the series bulbs, decoration bulbs. So they are connected in the series only. Means here the one wire. So the one wire consists of plenty of the bulbs. If in that anywhere in this contact will be there, the entire line bulbs are put off. Means the current is flows in systematic single path only. Due to that, what happens, Sama? So then, if anywhere the loop contact will be there, then the remaining bulbs will be put off. This is about the series connection. Are understood, children? So, for example, see it is in this. The formula is to show that R equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. R they will ask like that here. Sum of the individual resistors is equals to equivalent resistor. So means here in series connection, current flows equally through all the resistors and voltage V is divided. By these two statements, we have to complete the series connection formula. These two statements are very most important, children. Current flows in series connection is equally through all the resistors, but voltage V is divided. These two statements, by these two statements, we have to solve the equation. So, first, let me draw the diagram for this R1, R2, R3. This we have to call the resistors. What is meant by resistor? Resistance and resistor. Resistance and resistor. What is the difference? Resistance means it is obstruct to the flow of electrons in a circuit in the conductor is called resistance. Means it will stop the flow of electrons. When the electrons are flows in a conductor, resistance will be stopped there. So that's why resistance means it is obstruct to the flow of electrons in a conductor is resistance. What is meant by resistor? The material which offers the resistance to flow the electrons is called resistance. The material which offers the resistance to flow the electrons in it, that is called resistance. So, series connection, a single path current flows in a circuit is called series connection. Means the current is flows in a systematic way, single way. Current is equally flow through all, but voltage is divided. Let me see the diagram for this. That means we have to draw the circuit for this. This is the series connection circuit. Three resistors are there in this. There is a current I. This R1 resistor, R2 resistor, and R3 resistor. Now, in R1, whose the current is voltage is I1, V1, this is V2, and it is V3. Or we can draw like this also, circuit. Current I is flowing. So these are two circuit children. We have to draw any one from this for the series connection. The series connection means the current flows in a single path is called series connection. So then series connection current flows through the resistors equally, but voltage is divided in these. Okay, children. So let me see this now. First we have to write the statement about this. By saying of this, we have to write the statement of series connection. First point is this. Above the circuit consists of how many resistors are? 3 resistors will be there, R1, R2 and R3. So the above the circuit consists of 3 resistors. They are R1, R2, R3. So 3 resistors will be there. Second point, they are connected in which process they are connected? In series. So above the circuit consists of 3 resistors, that is R1, R2, R3. The 3 resistors are connected in series. Series will connect cheyadam jarigindannamata. These are all connected in series. Then third point, which is equal flow? What I said to you in series connection, which is equally flow through all the resistors? Current I. The current I is equally flow through all the resistors, children. For example, current I is in R1, for example, current flows 1 ampere. In R2 also flows 1 ampere. R3 also flows 1 ampere. That means current I is equally flow through all the resistors. Because of, see, I already told you, a single path, the current flows in a single path. A single path current flows in the circuit is called series connection. So third point here, which is equal to that we have right. Current to I is equally flows through three resistors. That means here current I equals to I1, means the I1 current flows in R1 equals to I2 current flows in R2 equals to I3 R3. So this is okay, children. So here current I is equal flow through all the resistors. Then fourth one, which is divided in this voltage. Voltage V is divided in three resistors. Voltage V is divided in three resistors. That means here, which is divided, let me write like this, children. That is V equals to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Voltage is divided in three resistors. Divided, you have to write as a plus. So V1 voltage is divided in R1, V2 is R2, V3 R2. Voltage V is divided in each resistor. Above the equation, about to the equation, about to the equation, applied Ohm's law. Applied Ohm's law. Okay, children. So then already you know that according to the magic triangle I told you clearly. So then it is V, it is I into R. According to Ohm's law, about to the equation applied Ohm's law. You have to apply the Ohm's law. For example, V, according to what is the voltage formula, then close the V. V equals to I into R. Then V place you have to substitute I into R because voltage formula I into R. Then equals to, again V1 will be there. V means voltage. Voltage formula whatever, then close the V. I into R. I into R. Here 1 will be there. Then put the 1 here. Plus V2, again voltage. Voltage formula I into R. I into R 2. 2 there. Plus again V, voltage formula I into R. R3. Okay, children. Now IR equals to, take in this common I, children. I is the common. Then what remains now? R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now here I gets cancelled. I is going to cancel. Then what is remains now? Then R equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the series connection formula, children. R equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this is the formula. Are you understood, children? Are you understood this? Children, are you understood? Series connection formula. It is a series connection, very most important, children. Very simple and very easy and very most important. Children, note down it is. Note down your any notebook. Take one any notebook and note down. Children, are you understood? Are you understood, children? Series connection. Give me reply. Now we have to go with parallel connection. It is series connection, children. Then we have to go with parallel connection. Parallel connection. Yes. Now parallel connection, children. Parallel connection. Then for this formula, to show that one by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is the formula in parallel connection. You have to prove it this formula. Okay, children, in parallel connection. So before that, what is meant by parallel connection? So means the parallel connection means all the resistors end connected to a common point. So this type of connection we have to use in our home. In our home, the electric point is parallel connection only, children. Because if the parallel connection means if any one room power gone means here the remaining rooms are power is run as usual. It is the main advantage of a parallel connection. Because of every room you have to allocate one fuse. Okay, children. But in a series connection, if one room power is lost, then the remaining rooms also power loss. So that's why here the parallel connection you have to give the preference to electric current. Make it our home. Okay, children. So we have to in our home the electric power connection is in parallel only. It is a very advantage to us. So now we have to show that 1 by R is equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Here also 3 resistors are there. Okay, sir. But here, according to the question, how many resistors are given? That we have to draw the diagram. If it is told there, 3 not there, 1 by 3 not there, then we have to make it 2. Okay, sir. According to the question, the how many resistors is given? That many resistors we have to draw in the circuit. Are you clear? Let us see the parallel connection. So all the resistors ends connect to a common point is called parallel connection. So it is opposite, children. In series connection, which is equally flow, in parallel connection that is reversely, means that is divided. Which is divided in series connection, in this that will be equally flow. Means in parallel connection is voltage V is equal equally flow, but current is divided. Current to I is divided in the parallel connection, but voltage V is equally flow through all the resistors. Are you understood, children? These 2 points. By this only we have to solve the equation. Okay, this we see now. Same diagram. 3 resistors will be there. Like this, you have to draw. 1, 2, 3. According to the question, what is the question number? To show that 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So, according to the definition, all the resistors end connect to a common point. Now, these 2 resistors end is this one and this one connected to this. This 2 is connected to this. Means all the resistors end is connected to a common point. This is called parallel connection. So it is R1, it is R2, and it is R3. In this flow of current I1, I2, and I3. It is voltage. This is parallel connection circuit, children. All the resistors end connected to a common point. For example, it is A and it is B. Okay, this is called parallel connection, children. All the resistors end connected to a common point is called a parallel connection. So, same. Whatever are present in this, we have to write by seeing the diagram. Same here, first point is same to this also. The first one is above the circuit consists of 3 resistors. 3 resistors. They are R1, R2, R3. In this also 3 resistors will be there. Second point. The 3 resistors are connected in this 3 is connected in parallel. This 3 is connected in parallel. Okay, children. Now, in parallel connection, voltage V is equally flow. In this, this is equally flow through all the resistors. So that's why we have got third point. Voltage V is equally flow through the 3 resistors. Voltage V is equal flow through the 3 resistors. That means voltage V equals to V1 equals to V2 equals to V3. Which is divided in this? Current I is divided. Current I is divided in 3 resistors. That means here current I is divided in 3 resistors. Means I equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. See, it is current I1 divided in R1, I2 in R2, I3 in R2. About to the equation, applied Ohm's law. Already I told you here. Okay, children. So then I means current. What is the formula of current according to Ohm's law? Then take the magic triangle, close it. I means V by R, current formula. I means V by R is equals to, again I1 will be there. I means again current. Current formula equals to V by R. V by R, here 1 will be there. 1 here. Plus, again I will be there. I means current formula V by R, 2 will be there. 2. Plus I means V by R. V by R, 3. According to Ohm's law, current formula V by R. So I1 means V by R1 plus I2 means V by R2 plus I3 means V by R2. Okay, children. So now V by R equals to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. So then V by R equals to, take the common in this V, children. The numerator V, you have to take the common V. Then when the V is the common, what remains now? 1 will be remains. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Okay, sir. So now same way V's gets cancelled. Here 1 is remains, means 1 by R. Then 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is the parallel connection formula. 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. It is the parallel connection formula. Parallel connection formula, children. Okay. Parallel connection 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is the parallel connection. Based on these two formulas, we have to do some problem, children. Based on these two formulas. That means in series connection and parallel connection. Based on these two formulas, we have to do some problems. Let me see now. Yes. Now I'll give one question to you. Let me stop it. R1 equals to 6 ohms. R2 equals to 12 ohms are connected in series and parallel. Series and parallel. Find the equivalent resistance, that means R. Find the equivalent resistance R. So here two resistors are given. One is R1 equals to 6 ohms and R2 equals to 12 ohms. Are connected in series and parallel. Means these two resistors are connected in two types. One is the series connection and second one is the parallel connection. What we have to find? We have to find the R value, equivalent resistance. We have to find equivalent resistance. So first of all, in series connection, In series connection, what is the formula? In series connection, what is the formula? R equals to, here how many resistors is given? 1 and 2 only given. Based on this, we have to adjust the formula. So then we have to write R equals to R1 plus R2. It is the formula. Series connection. Because of here only the 2 resistors is given. R1 and R2 is given. According to that, we have to write the formula. R equals to R1 plus R2. Okay, children. So then R equals to R1 means how many number? 6 ohms. Then take the 6 plus R2 means 12 ohms. Then R equals to 6 plus 12 means 18 ohms. So means in series connection, equivalent R value how much amma? 18 ohms. Let me do the parallel connection. Parallel connection. Parallel connection formula what amma? 1 by R equals to, here 2 resistors only there. Then we have to write the formula like this. 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. According to the question. 2 resistors are there and this is the formula. Okay. Now 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 means 6 ohms plus R2 means 12 ohms. Take LCM amma. 6 and 12 LCM. That makes 12 only. 6 2s are 12, 2 1s are 2. Plus 12 1s are 12, 1 1s are 1. So then 1 by R equals to 2 plus 1 makes 3 by 12. Then 3 1s are 3 4s are. 1 by R equals to 1 by 4. Then we have to find the R value, equivalent resistance value. Means if you want to find the R value, these values are reciprocal, children. Then R equals to 4 ohms. This is the answer. So here one thing keep in mind, children. Equivalent resistance R value in series is greater than in parallel. See, in series connection R value is 18. Parallel connection R value is 4. By seeing this, in parallel connection, equivalent resistance value is less than series connection. So this is the series and parallel connection amount. Series and parallel connection. So this is the very most important these two, and practice well, and diagrams also very most important, children. So this is series and parallel connection, and some of the examples is given in the textbook. So just practice that example problem, children, because of May I think it will come in the examination. Okay, you have to practice well series and parallel connection. Okay, so thank you very much.